If you're seeing SEC_ERO_expired_certificate in Firefox, don't panic. In most cases, this is a quick fix, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get your browser working again. This error usually means Firefox thinks a website security certificate has expired, but sometimes the real problem is actually on your computer, not the website. So let's go through the most common fixes, one by one. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it helps more people find these step-by-step guides. The first thing you should check is your system date and time. This is the most common reason Firefox shows certificate errors. If your computer clock is wrong, even by a little bit, Firefox may think a valid website certificate is expired or not yet valid. To fix this, look at the clock on your computer's taskbar and click it. Then select Adjust Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings, turn on Set Time automatically. If it's already on, you can switch it off and back on again to refresh it. Once that is done, restart Mozilla Firefox completely, close it, reopen it, and try visiting the website again. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem. If the error is still happening, the next step is to clear Firefox's SSL-related cache and browsing data. Sometimes your browser stores old security information that conflicts with the website's current certificate. To do this, click the menu icon in the top right corner of Firefox, then choose Settings. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find the Browsing Data section. Click Clear Browsing Data. When the prompt appears, select the relevant data you want to remove, then click Clear. This helps refresh the stored browser data and can remove certificate conflicts that are causing the error. After clearing the browsing data, go back and try the website again. If it loads properly now, then the issue is likely caused by cached certificate data. If not, don't worry, because we still have one more important fix to try. The next thing to troubleshoot is your browser extensions. A faulty, outdated, or security-related extension can sometimes interfere with encrypted connections and trigger certificate warnings. To check this, click the menu icon again, then click Settings. Scroll down and find Extensions and Themes. Click Extensions to view everything installed in your browser. Now start turning your extensions off one by one. After disabling each one, refresh the website and see if the error goes away. This step helps you identify whether one specific extension is causing the issue. If the site starts working after you disable a certain extension, you've found the problem. Once you identify the extension, you can leave it disabled, update it, or remove it completely if you no longer need it. That's especially important if the extension hasn't been updated in a long time, because older add-ons can cause security and compatibility problems in Firefox. So to recap, the main fixes for SEC_ERA_expired_certificate are checking your system date and time, clearing Firefox browsing data, and troubleshooting your extensions. In most situations, one of those steps will get you back online quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you're still seeing the error after trying these steps, leave a comment and I'll try to help you figure it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.